This is Scott Davis from The Morning Breach with an important technical tip. When talking about collaboration and communication tools, they're typically a critical part of your infrastructure and your applications across the board to communicate, collaborate, and just stay in touch with your end users. It's even more critical with this modern workforce that we experience and we live in today, where so many of your workforce is not in the office. Before COVID 19, it was easy. You could stand up from your desk and you could have a conversation, walk to a meeting room, and accomplish the same things that these tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams give us today. But when you utilize that tool in this modern workforce and that tool goes down, what is your next step? Is that next step known to your employees? It is critical that when you're developing and you have that business continuity plan, that it's more than just backups and what needs to happen when a server goes down, but what happens when a core component of your structure goes down, like this collaboration tool. Today, Slack is offline for a lot of users that rely on it for that collaboration and communication. So what is your business's backup plan? Do your employees know it? Do they know what they should be doing? Do they know how to access the data they need to do the job that they are doing? Those are all important questions that you need to understand and you need to ask as you're building those business continuity plans. Don't leave it to, well, when it happens, it happens. Because all technology solutions will suffer an outage from time to time. Not every day, not once a month, but from time to time, there will be an outage. And how long your organization can go with that service down is also an important factor for that business continuity plan. It's not just, well, it's down for a minute, okay, life is okay. Well, now if it's an hour, what if it's 2 hours? What if it's half a day or an entire day? Your business continuity plan needs to outline for your communication and collaboration tool suite of if A is down, revert to B. If B is inaccessible, revert to C. And everyone should have that information so that everyone knows how to connect with each other in an easy to identify place. So when the business continuity plan is activated, that everyone understands, okay, it was activated for this reason. My step one, okay, collaboration tool was down. I'm going to move now into my next step, which is B. For more cyber-related news and tips, please make sure you visit themorningbreach.com and follow along with us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Thanks for watching.